Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing what you'll attach and how you'll label it. Attach a single PDF named with your last and first name so hiring managers find it immediately. Once done, save a plain text version of your cover letter in case systems strip formatting, and craft a concise subject line that includes the job code and your name. Make sure file size stays under 5 MB and test opening both files on phone and laptop to avoid delivery surprises. You now compose the email body: a sharp greeting, the specific role or job code, and a tiny value statement explaining why you're a fit. Then include 2-4 short sentences, one about your most relevant achievement, one linking skills to the role, and a polite call to action asking for next steps. Once written, attach the PDF and plain text cover letter, mention the attachments in the message, and make sure your phone number and LinkedIn appear in the signature. You finish by proofreading every element: subject line, body text, attachment names, and your signature. Once satisfied, send a test email to yourself and open it on 2 devices to confirm attachments and formatting look correct. When ready, send to the recruiter and note the time sent. If the message bounces or formatting breaks, resend immediately as plain text or a single flattened PDF. Follow up with a short note explaining you resent the materials to ensure they received a readable copy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.